Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Exness. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Exness app and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you have an option to sign into multiple accounts at the same time and switch between them. In order to that, tap on this arrow icon and then choose the account you want to switch over to. You also have the demo account feature that you can use to practice trading in your free time. You can also access the accounts you have archived in this section. In order to add another account, you just need to tap on this add icon and then choose the type of account you would like to add. After switching to the preferred account, you will be able to access any personal data like the transaction history by tapping on the history icon. You can also check the details about the assets you transfer and anything regarding it. There is also a settings section that you can use to change or know your account limits. Now, if you access the Trade tab from the bottom, all of the cryptocurrencies will be displayed on your screen, and if you tap on one of them, you will be able to buy or sell using the trade chart. After that, we have the Markets tab, and inside it, all of the information regarding ups and downs of crypto will be present. You can also check the current prices of top performing crypto and any major upcoming events. Then we have the Performance tab, in which the trading history will be present. As I have created a new account, that is why there is nothing present inside it. Now, at last, we have our profile. We can just verify our profile using the prompt at the top and change settings based on our preferences. So that's basically how you can use Exness. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.